Hey guys, I'm Shawn coming at you from Waco, Texas. How you doing? Today we're going to do a song by 10cc called I'm Not in Love. Let's take a listen. Go ahead and cut to the chase. I'm not in love. All right, so that intro happens a couple more times. Wanted to go ahead and get to it. But guys, welcome to webpianoteacher.com, our online community where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there around the world who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. I'm going to help you do that right now. All right, so this is our second take of this, and gather together. What's that? Oh, okay. Well, there's the sign that we saw from the front view. It says gather together, and I left that out. Sometimes I think, well, maybe that happens for a reason. So I'll bring it up. Why do we say gather together? Because that's a very important part of anything that we do, especially in music. Music is meant to be something that we do together and that we enjoy together. I know we have times where we just put on our headphones and want to chill out and whatever, but creating music, playing music, bands, and whatever you do, it's really the greatest experience to do it with people. So we have to gather together to do that. I know it's hard in this day and age where we have to be isolated for whatever reason, but sometimes we can do that over the internet. We can, we have ways of communicating with people, or playing something that someone can watch us play or hear us play, or even get together at your house. I mean, we can do that. We can play. We always have praise and worship at my house when we have our life group that comes over, and music is a big part of what we do. So make sure that you're doing music with another human being. You get an enrichment that you don't get if you're just all by yourself. All right, little tip there. All right, so this song is really cool, and it's really not that hard or that long. In fact, I think if you're even middle beginner or late beginner, you can do this. It's a lot of vamping on the same chords. So a really fun song. Let's get to it. All right, so we start right off the bat with a 4/5 chord, which I love. And I always mention Carole King now that we did. We have that, and Elton John would do it, and even Billy Joel, so very neat chord. We start with an A chord, A, C sharp, E over a B bass. And they have a keyboard sound, so if you have an electronic piano and you want to use a bell tone or something. I just like to use a piano so I can show all you people who are playing on acoustic or whatever that it works on piano as well. All right, so the B is going to carry the whole time. I'm going to have the A chord on top, A, C sharp, E. Then I'm going to have a B on my second finger. That's going to come back again and again. Dun, dun, da, dun, da, 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 da. So dun, 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 dun. That's kind of a template for the rhythm of this. B, D, F sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp, rather. B on the left hand still. Now we're actually at a B chord here. And you'll actually include a G sharp sometimes. This is for later, so don't do this yet. So you get that G sharp mixed in, that gives it a little more lushness. But we're going to do 4 times, okay? Here's the second time. Third time. Another little tip, you can have that F sharp as the 5th in the middle on the left hand. And here's the 4th time. Count 4, we're going to have that chord. Make sure you change the pedal. Don't mix this and this. All right? Change the pedal. Okay? Lift that pedal and clear it. Here we have a B sharp, which is like playing a C natural, isn't it? Right hand, B sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp. Let's count 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not in love. So here's the first chord of that beautiful little melody. We get to start there. A, C sharp, E, G sharp. Left hand on an A. That's an A major 7. Here's just a regular A chord. When you throw that G sharp in there, it gives it that jazziness. Not in love. And I hear the keyboardist mix an F sharp in there now and again. Okay, so there we go. There's the intro to get you going on it. And of course, if you're a member of webpianoteacher.com, you can download the sheets for all of this. We go through the whole song, show you every little thing, and you can have the sheet to download for practicing with. That's very helpful to do that. And lots of other songs on there. If you like this song, there's tons of others like it that you'll enjoy as well. See you on the website.